Now, in Kyambogo, relatedly, researchers have also called upon government to extend to them more financial aid, saying that research is not just the creation of new knowledge, but also the transformation of that knowledge into effective solutions. This was during the closure of the annual Forum for Graduate Research and Dialogue Policy at Kyambogo.
Findings are used to inform policy formulation. Experts advise to look out for the barriers to impactful research so as to better societies and the country as a whole.
The research skills, the sorts of questions your Ugandan colleagues want to address are of societal importance. What I think is needed now is them to look a bit more outward and get a bit more confidence in the sense of applying for grants, going to conferences. The skill set here, the expertise is out of this world wonderful. I think there's just a bit of an opportunity now to develop it a bit more, and they'll be help advance their institutions.
That when Ugandan researchers have found a question that they think is important for the Ugandan people, that they can do that research efficiently, that they can do it effectively at high quality, that the answer that they get, they can rely on that answer. And therefore we can build programs to deliver those things based on this knowledge which was obtained by research done in Uganda. So we can help equip them with the techniques to do that.
The 5-day training has provided insightful knowledge on how researchers can come up with impactful research projects and how they can successfully accomplish them.
We want, of course, to also help the people out there doing research be able to do it in the correct way, be able to design projects in a proper way, be able to also manage the grants in the appropriate way. So the researcher out there, or people who anticipate to take on the research world now, with this kind of training, it should be able to help them and equip them. And the good thing, you've trained a trainer, and hence you've trained the entire institutions.
The workshop has really helped me get different experiences. The workshop has mainly been dealing with quantitative research, and I'm good in qualitative, very good. So it has helped me get all the experiences for quantitative, and I will make sure that I help my students on that paradigm too. And I think I'm well grounded.
Researchers want government to increase research fund for the agriculture and health sectors, as they are the major drivers to economic transformation. They promise to use the knowledge acquired to better their research journeys.
Some of these areas have been prioritized in the national development plans, in Vision 2040 and Vision 2060. Some of these are in those policies and development plans that have been, those policies that are in place. But you know very well that our competitive advantage as a country, our backbone is in the area of agriculture. That is where we can secure a lot of resources. Even if it comes to export of these materials, we can prioritize making sure that, first of all, the country is food secure. And then another area that also becomes very, very important is the area of health. There are many people in the countryside that are actually still grappling with many diseases, some of which are neglected.